In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Then scroll a tiny bit to click on Biometrics and Password. And tap on Face Recognition at the top. Now you need to enter your current login method to continue. Hit Add Facial Profile at the bottom. And use this tiny icon next to Enable Rise to Wake to enable or disable this option. Then hit Get Started, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, name your face data however you want to. Tap on Done. Check out all of those options and go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!